weighing system plus water recovery tanks. An 80-kilogram electrically heated washing machine with a 60% load uses around 656 litres per hour and 21.37 kilowatts per hour. If we add the weighing system kit and also add the XL recovery tank, we are saving 70% of water and 45% of electricity, leaving us with a total of 196.8 litres and about 11.75 kilowatts per hour, therefore saving us about 459.2 litres of water and about 9.62 kilowatts per hour. Suppose that a standard laundry with 3 80-kilogram washing machines works with a 60% load, 16 hours a day and 300 days a year. If we have that the price of energy is 0.3 kilowatts per hour and the price of water is €3 per cubic metre, we are saving €41,558.4 in energy and €19,837.44 in water. A total of about €61,395.84 per year, thanks to the use of XL water recovery tanks in combination with the weighing system.